So you're using AWeber, and you need to find the HTML code for your landing page. Maybe you want to embed it somewhere else, customize it further, or just have more control. But AWeber doesn't make it super obvious where to grab that code, and that's exactly what we're covering today. Stick around because I'll not only show you where to find it, but also why you might want to consider other tools that make this process way easier. Alright, let's get straight to it. If you've already built a landing page inside AWeber, go to the Landing Pages section from your dashboard. Select the landing page you want the code for, then click Publish if you haven't already. Once it's published, AWeber will generate a live URL, but here's the issue. They don't give you a direct HTML export option. Unlike some other platforms, AWeber locks you into using their hosting, which can be frustrating if you want full control over your page. Next thing, if you still need to get the raw HTML code, the workaround is to inspect the page source. Open your published landing page in a browser, right-click anywhere on the page, and choose View Page Source, or press Ctrl+U on Windows or CMD+Option+U on Mac. This will show you the entire HTML structure, but it's messy and not meant for easy exporting. If you're embedding this on another site, you'll likely need to clean it up and adjust the styles manually. Another thing to note, AWeber doesn't offer exportable landing page templates, meaning if you want to use the same design elsewhere, you'll have to rebuild it from scratch or copy-paste the raw HTML, which isn't always practical. Platforms like ConvertKit and GetResponse allow you to export HTML for better customization, making them a stronger option if you need more flexibility. The fourth thing, AWeber is great for email marketing, but its landing page builder is pretty limited compared to competitors. You're locked into their hosting, and while it's easy to set up, it lacks advanced customization, A/B testing, and seamless integrations that other tools offer. If you're looking for a landing page builder that gives you full control over your HTML, design, and integrations, there are better options out there. And that brings us to the final thing. If you want a landing page builder that actually lets you access and export HTML easily, I've linked a tool in the description that not only does that, but also gives you better customization, A/B testing, and integrations that AWeber lacks. Plus, through our link, you'll get an exclusive extended free trial, along with some other top alternatives that are better suited for your specific goals. Check out the link below, and I'll see you in the next one.